Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to turn off YouTube Shorts. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the YouTube app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, scroll through the feed to see if the shorts are available. Now if you want to remove the shorts, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, from the very top right side, tap on the gear icon to open settings. In the settings menu, tap on general. On this page, scroll down to find playback in feeds. Once you find, tap to open it. Select the third option, which is off. Now let's go back to the YouTube homepage again and remove all these shorts. Keep pressing on a short video and then select not interested. Once all the short videos are removed, refresh the page by swiping down. Now let's see if the shorts are still there. And that's it. This is how you can turn off YouTube Shorts. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.